Attack. Attack. What them a go do ya now? Newlink and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. Newlink. Attack.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Don't know the thing, man. I don't know what's a Newlink there from Newlink production. Well, people, I have a little thing for talk about now, people. And it's really sad. You know what I mean? Really sad. Because, sometimes you have to question and wonder, you know, people. You don't make Newlink a little, believe in the Almighty, you know. Believe in Jah, praise to the Almighty all the while. But I have to wonder, we're just there sometime. We got there some, but me even want, sure. Because right now, people, I got to tell about now. I think what happened down M0NTEGO be there now, people in Mount Because it is said that now, people. Just New Year's Day, as 12 o'clock strike on the dot, so bingling when the bell knock. You understand? The pastor of them church people and them just finish, the watch night thing, because I don't know the church, because them watch night and thing and praise people. And him say, when them inside people with him wife after them talk him and other thing, watch night done people, him know as him say daughter go out, him 15-year-old daughter go outside the church people and watch the fireworks go on and thing people. Him saying go see somebody run come in the church and say, yo, like he say, pastor, your daughter drop a ground, and she a bleed. Him say he run go out the people. Him see blood and his daughter like knock out by the ground. So him rush him to hospital, the M0NTEGO hospital people down in the M0NTEGO be there now people. And him say, when it comes to boom 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 and them realize people, they realize it's a gunshot to get people because the boy them done there now people. When it chucks 12, the man them start salute and a beat up. Be a gunshot in the ear people. So them a salute car 12 o'clock now in the night people. And shoot the pastor daughter people. Luckily and greatly people, right now she's at the Falmouth hospital in Acholani people. She not dead. Give Jah thanks. Them do a thing where them remove the little thing because I know the full bullet she get in her forehead people, but things after the bullet knocking her forehead and them remove it people. Them do a little operation on her and a CT scan and everything people. So right now she in a ICU in a intensive care people, and you know what I mean? We just hope and pray that she recover fast. She's just 15, but in the end God save her people. But you know what people? Sometimes, some things can happen because the mother has spoken and the mother of this girl said, before them went to the church people, before them went to the sermon at the night, just before, you understand, the daughter said, mommy, talk to her and say, mommy, say, me not feel like how me feel say something bad going to happen to me in a 2020, and like she just say, what you talk? What means something bad happen to you? Nothing like that, man. What happened, baby? And he said, people, she cannot believe because like the daughter see something coming towards her, but you know what I mean? She didn't really know how to stop it, but she said the daughter said that to her, mommy, me feel say something bad going to happen to me before 2020 people, and that is what happened. You know what I mean? But by God's will, she is alive. So in the end, people, we just say, yo, we God named the day, but in the end, the devil is out there too, and the devil make them boy, they do that fire, them shooting there, and the bullet catch her, and God save her, because God save her life. You know what I mean? God is the one who save her. The devil make them bust a gun, and God save her life, because God say, yo, you have a purpose on earth, and she have this to tell as a testimony. So you don't know the thing of my viewers and my subscribers. This is Newlink from Newlink production, and we are say youth, we are bust the look gun them and about now celebrate New Year's and are bringing this and are bringing that. We don't leave the gun them alone. Leave it alone, people. And the thing about this pastor who is also an ex-police, I say, yo, we have to leave the gun thing them, the salute we not do, whether we have license gun or whatever, because it's illegal for you to do that. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers. This is Newlink from Newlink production, and we say attack. News at its best. Attacking. Happy New Year.
Attack. What them a go do ya now? Newlink and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. Newlink. Attack.